Hi, I'm Michaela. I'm Pinterest manager and strategist. And I have a lot of experience helping business and e-commerce stores owner with driving traffic to their stores with Pinterest as a marketing platform. So I decided to help you even more. I am doing these mini audits, 5 to 10 minutes video, where I'm going to share more tips and tricks based on my experience, how you can improve your profile, how you can actually drive more traffic to your store using Pinterest, and of course, engage with your customers, find new customers, and increase your traffic eventually in the long run. So Pinterest is an amazing platform. A lot of business owners and e-commerce stores owners are not using it the right way because it's a visual search engine. That's why I'm doing these mini audits. And of course, all of you have the chance to put your name in the table here or your profile. And every week I'm doing these Pinterest audits because I want to give you even more help and more tips how you can use this platform, because my mission is to show you that it's not so complicated to use Pinterest to drive traffic or even increase revenue in the long period if you consistently posting on Pinterest. So let's go to the first issue we have here today. I'm very happy I can give the first, I can do the first mini audit here for Simple Natural Canada, because it's an amazing shop. They sell personal care products, hair care, cleaners, soaps, all it's sustainable natural products, zero waste, free plastic. So it's amazing, and definitely something we should be thinking more, even myself, in the future, using all these products with no plastic, of course. So let's go and check this profile. Simple Natural Canada, we have this cover picture. I would definitely imagine here some kind of statement here and different cover picture, maybe showing a couple of pictures from your e-shop, like you have in the lifestyle, like this product, or maybe something like this. You show a couple of products in the natural environment, maybe like this soap, some kind of like a collage, or maybe your highest or top, let's say most popular products here. You make some kind of collage, and then you put a statement, something like sustainable and zero waste products, and then you put simplenaturalcanada.com in the cover. Yeah, this cover is not clickable. You cannot click on it, and it will not take you to the e-shop, but you can always make it like more clear what is it about. So I know it's about sustainable zero waste products, and I can even understand that what is a statement that it's more about the products for hair care and self-care than about like the trees, because right now if any user will come here, they would not understand immediately what is it about. So yeah, the cover I would change, as I said, pictures, some statement, and the website here. So immediately when anybody come here, they will know what is it about. We have the logo here, that's perfect. Simple Natural Canada, again, as a statement, as a name of this brand, it's great. The only thing is I would not know what is it about and what you sell. So I would put in the title of this probably something like sustainable, maybe something like, I'm thinking plastic-free, sustainable and plastic-free products, or natural products for your home. Maybe it could be for your home or care. So I would keep this title, make a slash, and then some statement like zero waste or plastic-free ideas for your home. Something, but it's really just saying this is what it's about, and it also contains the keyword, which would be zero waste, sustainable living. Maybe you can use sustainable living, plastic-free, something like that. Then we have this description here. Definitely you have up to 500 characters here. You can really make it very nicely with a lot of keywords. So we have sustainable, natural, consumable online eco shop offering low impact, non-toxic consumables to help you transition to more earth-friendly lifestyle. Great, but we need something more. So definitely I would probably change this to something like more keyword statements. So if you just put like sustainable living in the search bar here, you already know sustainable living, eco home, all of these are keywords. So basically Pinterest is telling you eco home. Sustainable living products is also a keyword. Hacks, it could be anything from zero waste life. Yeah, so you could also put here only the keywords I'm saying, or just make it a statement or make a nice sentence. Something like, let me see here. We are here to help you simplify your life by taking care of the planet. Yes, we could do something with the sentence you have here. Collections of products from Canadian brands. Yeah, our best-selling items, innovative water-activated products like toothpaste, mouthwash tablets, soap, and personal care, household powders concentrated hydrated with water. Yeah, something like this, but of course, try to use more keywords for your profile. So as I said, anything which is sustainable living, eco-life, eco-friendly products, eco-friendly gifts, sustainable living products, eco home, tips for sustainable life, anything like this. For example, if you just put this in the zero waste ideas, inspiration, all these are keywords which I would suggest to put in this in the description. You can put it in the sentences or just keyword and keyword. I always suggest to do both, some keywords and some sentences like you have on your e-store. So this I would definitely change. Let's have a look on the boards. We have a lot of boards here. I would do some selection here for do it yourself home, healthy ideas, smoothies, healthy salad, healthy lunches. It doesn't really, I mean, yeah, it's healthy and great, but it doesn't really connect with the brand. So I would probably archive these boards. All the boards are not connected to your business, to your store. Maybe like herbs, also gardening, energy bites, because you don't have anything about healthy recipes on your website, quick breakfast ideas, all these I would basically archive. You can keep them, archive them, you don't have to delete them, but just think about what is really connected to your brand, Simple Natural Canada. Then we have a lot of boards we can actually use. Also quotes, I would probably archive too. And let me see, cool ideas. Yeah, also something you only have, where you have only one pin or no pins, you can actually delete. The quotes you can definitely delete if you want. And cool ideas, delete. And favorite quotes, again, delete. There is only one pin in each. You don't need these boards. What I would keep is dish, so bars, zero waste kitchen, sustainable gifting, Swedish cloth, reusable products, refillable products, natural products, soaps, again, soaps and deodorant. So I would kind of merge these boards. I would keep one zero waste kitchen, that's great. Sustainable living, I would change it to sustainable living. Then all the soaps I would put together. So we have, it could be natural soaps, and then you put this one here, this one, all the soaps together. SNC bar soaps all together, basically. Yeah, so you put all the soaps together, you have one board. Eco-friendly gifts, I would make new board or rename some of these boards. Eco-friendly gifts, maybe a Swedish cloth, you can rename it. And you go eco-friendly gifts, and then you have, or eco-friendly products. We have zero waste products could be, or zero waste living also. You can use eco home, could be also one of the boards. You can put everything there, right? So we have eco-friendly gifts, eco-friendly home, eco style living. We have zero waste kitchen. We have natural soaps. You also sell hair care and dental care, personal care. You could make one board with self-care or something like that. Eco self-care, or laundry, eco laundry. It could be also option for eco lifestyle could be also one of the keywords for you. So I would rename it, merge some of these and rename the rest, and all of these boards should have board description. You have a little bit here, you can also write a little bit more for the new boards. So this will be like the first optimization of the boards, and then we go to see some pins. I don't know if these pins looks like they are, I would say they are yours, or maybe from customers. Probably these pictures are yours. So I would say I check your Instagram profile and you have a lot of content there. So why not to recycle this content to Pinterest? Of course, it doesn't mean just take the reel or the post and you put it on Pinterest. But for example, if we take some kind of how to deep clean your bathing suit, you have the reel. You can just take this actually, you can take this video, this reel, recycle, put it, for example, in Canva or somewhere else, add your logo, definitely keep your brand visuals, and put it with your keywords, with the keywords for Pinterest, you will put on in one of your boards. So you can use all of these videos. You just remove the logo, maybe you have it in your phone or somewhere, and just use all this content you already have, right? So there is even like these slideshows, things like that. You can take all of these, use it, show the products. Pinterest is very Pinterest loves all these like video showing the products like exactly like this, how you can use the scrape in your bath, your favorite mineral sunscreen is back in stock. All these things you are already doing for Instagram, just repurpose, recycle this content, put it on Pinterest with the keywords. Always keep the logo or your brand. So you have this logo SNC, definitely use it. You can also change and take some inspiration from what is actually there if you put one of your keywords in the search bar and see what other people are doing. So you have also sustainable living, always try to put some keywords in the actually pins, eco-friendly home brands, why the zero waste movement isn't sustainable, then how to live more sustainable home edition. Yeah, all these things you can definitely use. But as you already have a lot of content and it's kind of showing your products and it's amazing how to live more sustainable life, then I would use it again here, repurpose and recycle this content, make it beautiful, put always pin title, pin description, and direct these pins, because all the pins you can put link, direct them to your products on Shopify store. So this was the mini audit. If you like it, definitely put your profile, your Pinterest business profile here. I would do every week mini audits of Pinterest profile, give you tips and tricks. As you could see, it's very helpful because you can grow your traffic using Pinterest. It's all for free, basically. So you can just try to understand a little bit how it works on Pinterest. You can, if you already have this content, like we just saw here, you already have it Instagram or Facebook maybe, or different platforms, you can recycle, use it, optimize it for Pinterest and use the same content you already have. It doesn't mean you have to make new videos and new content all the time. So I'm Michaela again, and I'm Pinterest Manager Strategist. If you like to grow your Pinterest profile even more, you can let me know. We can book a call for 20 minutes and we can just like a discovery call. We can discuss how you could use Pinterest for your business. And if you like also my videos, I would be happy if you subscribe here, because I am trying to grow my channel, YouTube channel, Pin Inspiration Agency. So that's it. That's it for all. That's all for today. And I see you in the next time in different video. Have a great day.